It's the end of the month. You open your banking app, and the number staring back at you is somehow lower than you expected. You didn't buy a car, you didn't go on vacation, you didn't make one big irresponsible purchase. It was just small stuff, food here, a subscription there, a few things online. And somehow, those small things quietly drained hundreds of dollars from your account. Sound familiar?
Alex, okay, this hits way too close to home. Every single month, I feel like my money just disappears. And everyone online keeps saying, just save more, just invest, just budget better. But if it were that easy, everyone would be wealthy, right? So tell me honestly, what are the actual money mistakes that keep people stuck? Because I feel like I'm doing something wrong, but I don't even know what it is.
Nina, you just described the financial reality of millions of people. And here's the truth. Most money problems are not caused by one big mistake. They're caused by small habits, repeated over and over again, quietly working against you. So today, 5 money mistakes that keep people poor. And more importantly, how to fix them. Mistake number 1, and this one surprises most people, not knowing where your money actually goes. Most of us assume we have a pretty good idea of our spending, but the reality, we underestimate by hundreds of dollars every single month. Why? Because small purchases don't feel important in the moment. A $12 lunch, an $8 coffee, a $25 subscription. Individually, harmless. Together, dangerous. Think about it this way, Nina. Spending just $15 a day on small things adds up to $450 a month. That's $5,400 a year? Gone. And if that same money were invested instead, it could grow to over $250,000 over 20 years.
Wait, 250,000 from coffee and lunch money?
Exactly. The problem isn't your income, it's your awareness. The fix is simple. Track your spending for just 7 days, not forever, just 1 week. You'll be shocked by the patterns you didn't even know existed. Mistake number 2, lifestyle inflation. And this one is sneaky because it feels like progress. Here's what happens. You get a raise, you earn more money, and almost automatically, you spend more money. A nicer apartment, a better car, more dinners out. And suddenly, your financial situation looks exactly the same as before, just with bigger numbers.
Oh, that is literally me every time I get a pay rise.
You're not alone. It's human psychology. When income goes up, spending follows. The fix? Every time your income increases, increase your savings first, not your lifestyle. Even putting just half of every raise into savings can completely change where you are financially in 10 years. Mistake number 3, waiting too long to start investing. And this might be the most expensive mistake of all. Let me give you 2 people. Person A starts investing $200 a month at age 25. Person B waits until 35. Same amount, same investment. By age 65, Person A has around $700,000. Person B, around $300,000. Same money, same return. The only difference? 10 years.
So basically, time is the investment?
Time is the investment, Nina. And the longer you wait, the more expensive that delay becomes. You don't need to invest thousands. Start with whatever you have. Even $50 a month. The most important thing is starting now, not later. Mistake number 4, having no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down. Medical bills show up. Jobs change when you least expect it. And when those moments hit, without savings, there's only one option: the credit card. And that's where it gets painful. Because now a $1,000 emergency becomes a debt with 20% interest that follows you for years.
So the emergency fund is basically protection, not just savings?
Exactly. It's your financial shield. The goal isn't to have it all at once. Start with just $1,000 in a separate savings account. That single step removes a huge amount of financial stress from your life. Then build from there, ideally to 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And mistake number 5, having no financial system. This one ties everything together. Without a system, money becomes chaotic. Bills appear randomly. Spending becomes emotional. Saving becomes something you'll do next month. Nina, think about staying healthy without any structure. No routine, no habits, no plan. It would be nearly impossible, right? Money works exactly the same way. A simple system. like the 50/30/20 rule, where 50% covers your needs, 30% your wants, and 20% goes to savings, removes the guesswork. Even better, automate it. Set up automatic savings so the money moves before you have a chance to spend it. No willpower required.
Okay, Alex. I came here thinking my problem was that I don't earn enough. But honestly, it's the habits. It's the small things I wasn't even paying attention to.
And that's the most important thing to understand. Wealth is rarely built through one big decision. It's built through small, consistent choices, made every single month. You don't need to fix all 5 mistakes this week. Pick one, track your spending, start a small emergency fund, set up automatic savings. One improvement creates momentum, and momentum creates lasting change. Because your financial future isn't determined by how much you earn. It's shaped by what you do with what you have. Remember this, the best financial decision you will ever make isn't finding the perfect stock or the perfect investment. It's simply deciding that today is the day you stop letting small habits silently steal your future. One change. This week. That's all it takes. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 mistakes do you think is hitting you the hardest right now? Or maybe you already have a savings plan and it's working. Tell us about it. Drop it in the comments. We read every single one. And if there's a topic you want us to break down next, money, economics, something you keep hearing about but nobody explains simply, write it below. Your comment might just be our next video. If this video gave you even one useful idea, do one thing for me. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. It costs you nothing, but for that one person, it could change everything. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a simple explanation of a big topic. Your financial future isn't built in one day, but it starts with one decision. Make it today. See you in the next one.